Hey guys, it's Chris, your technician with Pure Plumbing and Air, and today we're going to talk about the importance of maintenance. This home is only 1 year old, and what you can see here is it doesn't even really look like the coils are all too dirty. But what we don't know is that beneath the surface, there's usually a large contingent of things hiding inside of that double pane coil. Now, to those who are new to Las Vegas, or maybe you've lived here your whole life, we live in a dust bowl, and the type of dust that we have is very fine particulate. It gets caught inside of the unit and takes away from the efficiency, makes them run longer than they need to, and it costs you more on your power bill. Today I'm going to share with you 2 tips that you can do to make sure that your system is running as efficiently as possible, mitigating those run times and making that equipment last longer. Seasonal coil cleanings right before the season, where we're going to use our air conditioner, is one great way to ensure that we are getting the most out of the efficiency of our system. Another tip I'd like to give you is with these 3-wire hard start kits. These are compressor savers, man. Especially in our climate, you're going to want to put one of these on your system. The reason is sometimes these compressors draw in excess of 150 amps every time it starts, and it can start up to 30 times a day in the middle of summer. This here will help bring those starting amps down every time your system turns itself on, saving that compressor and saving you money.